Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video of our distance tracking application, what we will do is that once the user has stopped tracking the location, we will display the result fragment to the user with whatever distance he has traveled and whatever time it has taken. So firstly, what you will have to do is go to your navgraph.xml. Sorry, before that you will have to create this data class. So just create a model folder. Inside that, create a result data class, and here you can see I am passing distance as well as time, and I am making it partializable so that we can easily pass the data from one class to another class. Next, if you go to graph.xml, firstly you will have to go to your result fragment. So I'll just show you this. Sure, not able to zoom in. Okay, so here you will have to click this dot icon of your result fragment, and inside argument, so I have already added this argument, but yours would be empty, so you will have to click the plus button. Inside over here you can give the name as result, and type would be custom partializable. Okay, and once you select custom partializable, it will start searching inside your project, and here you can see it has automatically presented that result to me. So just select that and click add. I have already added it. Once you do that, next thing is select this line which goes from result fragment to maps fragment. Inside pop behavior, you will have to select pop up to maps fragment and pop up to inclusive, make this as true. Next, make sure you build your project, so just click on build and okay, rebuild project. This auto intelligence things would be get completed for us. And next, inside result fragment, here you can see I have just taken the distance view and time value text view, and I have initialized it, and this is how you will get the parcelable result from maps fragment to result fragment. And here I am just assigning those values to respective text boxes. Next, inside maps fragment, what I have done is firstly, once you stop the timer, here I am calling a method called display results. Now you will have to create this method called display results, so I have created it over here. Before that, so if you remember, we had created this calculate elapsed time method. Also, you will have to write this one more method called calculate the distance. So it will calculate time as well as distance. And display result, here you can see we will create this result variable, pass the required so this is our model class, data class, and here we are passing the calculate the distance and calculate elapsed time method. And once we are done calculating, we are just adding a delay of 2.5 seconds, and then we are navigating from map fragment to result fragment. So here we are navigating, and here I am just hiding the start button and enabling it, and for stop button I am hiding it as well, and I am showing the reset button to true. And if you see inside our tracker service, the only thing which I have changed is, instead of using location list first index or the 0th index, whatever you call it, I am using location list dot first. So this is a better practice instead of using 0 1 index kind of thing. So if you are just accessing the 0th index, it's better to use dot first. Now if I try to run my app, I will just start the route over here. I will click on go to my location button, and I'll just click on the start button. So it has started tracking my location, and I will let it track my location for a while. Okay, I think that should be enough. Now I will click on the stop button. I'll click on stop route as well. So here you can see it has traveled 0.26 kilometer for I think 9 seconds. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. And here you might be seeing that if I click outside the dialog, it gets automatically closed, and here you can see the reset button. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.